In this video, I will show you how to transfer money in N26. Simply download the N26 app, and after that on the app home page, you will see the option send money. So simply click on send money, select a recipient from the contact list, enter the amount and select continue, enter an optional a reference text and select continue. Choose to send it as an instant bank transfer or standard bank transfer. Enter your confirmation PIN, confirm the transfer on the review screen. In case you are making a SCP transfer via web app, then you will need to either confirm or cancel the transfer via push notification in the app from your paired device. Once your transfer was confirmed in the mobile app, we cannot reverse it or change its recipient details. So how you can add a new recipient? From the home, choose the send money tab. On the contact list screen, simply select the plus icon on the top right corner, select a bank transfer. To initiate a SCPA transfer, enter the recipient name or IBAN and tap continue. Alternately, you can tap the camera icon to scan the name and IBAN or scan a QR code to input the name and IBAN. Next, there proceed like step 4 above by entering optional reference text. So in this way, you can transfer money in N26.